Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Magic. This is Shahid Mahmood and today I will show you how to create a document. So in this video I will cover the file tab. In the file menu I will describe new, open, info, save as, print, share, export and close these commands. So let's proceed this video and starting the file tab. So first is how to create a document. So click on the new button and then choose the blank document. If you choose the blank document, your document is empty and new document is create. If you want to create this new document with the shortcut key, use the shortcut key Control N. I am writing for your understanding so you can easily understand. This is the shortcut key to create a new document. You don't need to go to the file tab, just press both keys together and your new document will be opened. So let's move to the next command. The next command is open. The open command is used to open a document from your PC. Here you can see the recently used documents. So here, this is a list that I use the recently document, or you can open a document from your PC. But remember, you need to know the location or the path of the file that you want to open. So the shortcut key to open a document is Control O. This is a shortcut key to open a document. This shortcut key is to create a new document. So let's move to the next command. Okay, let's move to the next command. Next command is the info command. This command is related to your document information, the size of your file, the page in your file, words, and the title of your file. So let's move to the next command. Next command is a save command. So if you are working currently in a document in Office and you want to save this file and you want to open in next time at the same content, so you need to save this document. The shortcut key of save a document is Control S. You need to press both keys together to save a document. You can save a document by using shortcut key or you can go to the file menu and click on a save button. After clicking the save button, you need to define the location where you want to save your file. I choose the desktop. So on the desktop you need to define the name of your file. Let's see, the name of file is ABC and save. After saving this file, you can find this file with the same name on your desktop, ABC. So this file is saved on my desktop. So next command I am going to talk about is save as. The save as command is used to create a copy of your file. I want to copy this file with a different name. So choose the save as command. Save as. And after clicking on save as, you need to define the location where you want to save. Let's say I'm going to save this file on my desktop. After selecting the desktop, you need to define your file name. So my file name, I am choosing my file name xyz. Okay, so this file is with the same content is saved on my desktop with the different name but have a same contents. So let's move to the next command. Go to the file menu, and this is a print command. Print command is used to print a document. This document is in a soft form. If you want this document in a hard form, just go to the file menu and click on print. Here you need to have you need to attach your printer with your PC. If you don't have attach your printer with your PC, you cannot get a print. Print command is also used to convert the document type. We are currently in document version. If you want to change the doc to PDF, just use the print option by using these settings. This is a print, and here if you have a printer, the printer is shown here. If you don't have a printer, you just choose the Microsoft Print to PDF, and then your file is automatically convert. So let's move to the next option. Next command is share. Share command is used to share the document or a currently file to email or to upload to cloud, or to post to a blog. So this is share command. So next is the export command. Export command is used to convert a document. I mean, we can create a PDF file. Just click on create PDF, and this document can be converted into PDF, and here you need to define the path where you want to save your document. Let's say I'm going to save this document on my desktop. Choose the desktop option and publish. Here you can see the XYZ file. This is a document version, and here is a PDF version. How can we create this? By using the export command. So let's go to the next command. Next is a close command. The close command is used to close the document. When you click on it, your document is closed. So if you are working with the different document and you want to quickly switch the document, so how can we do this? This can be done by using the switch window. Where is the switch window? Go to the view menu and choosing the switch window. Here we are currently working in the file 2 XYZ, and we want to go to this file. Just click on it, and this file is automatically switched. So this is an easy way to switch the file, or you can switch the file from here by selecting the document. So when we are opening a new document, the new document in the Word 2019 is a template with the predefined fonts and attributes, as well as margin and page orientation setting. There are two blank documents templates available: the single space blank and the blank documents option. The only difference between the blank document templates and the single blank documents in Word 2019 is the line spacing and the paragraph spacing. Both documents are empty and have no text or object added to them. So when we using Office 2019, we can search and download templates from the internet from within the application. So how can we search or download the application within the application? Go to the file menu, and when you click on the new, here you can choose any of the templates from the Word, or you can search it but remember you need to have a working internet connection, and you can download it from internet. How can we choose? Just click on it, any desired template and create, then click on create. So this is a easy way to create a template or download a template from internet within application. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like the video if you like the content, and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.